Time now for a Scout's Eye with Bucky Brooks. All right, Bucky, the NFL Draft is coming up this spring, which is right around the corner, April 30th to May 2nd. So let's talk about one of the prospects in it, Shaq Thompson, who played on both sides of the ball at Washington. So let's start with your evaluation first on the defensive side of things.
Explosive athlete, a guy that has tremendous speed, quickness, and burst, a guy that's a natural playmaker, very disruptive. When I'm evaluating defensive players, particularly linebackers, I want guys that are always around the ball. Shaq Thompson is one of those guys, always hunting at the ball, around it, intercepting passes, making plays on fumbles, fumble recoveries. And so when you think about putting him into a defense, and a 4-3 defense where he can be a weak side linebacker, your designated playmaker, I think you're getting a guy that can make an instant impact in the National Football League.
All right, a dynamic player in college, over 400 rushing yards. So what did you think of him as a rusher?
You know, same thing. Those same traits apply. Great athlete, great vision, natural speed and quickness. He has the pitter-pat that you look for running between the hole. And so Shaq Thompson could very easily be a dynamic runner in the National Football League. And so when you weigh the odds of a guy being a two-way player that's successful on both sides of the ball, it is hard not to like what Shaq Thompson brings to the table as a prospect.
What do you like him better as, though, in the NFL?
In the NFL, I like him better as a defensive player. And the reason I say defense is because defensive players have a tendency to play longer. You like those athletes because you like having hybrid guys on the defensive end. Nickel packages allows him to be used in coverage. You also can blitz him. You can drop him in coverage. He has some experience playing safety. So he's one of those guys that's kind of like a Swiss Army knife. He can do everything for you in the defensive end. And because of that, I really like Shaq Thompson as a prospect.
Okay, a defensive player then in the NFL he reminds you of?
He kind of reminds me of Lavonte David for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Lavonte David has kind of flown under the radar, but he's played at a Pro Bowl level for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers the last couple years. There you see him knocking balls out, running around and chasing. In a 4-3 defense as a weak side linebacker, Lavonte David makes a ton of plays. I think Shaq Thompson can make the same kind of impact in a defense in the National Football League.
Yeah, Thomas, he finished the season with 2 offensive touchdowns and 1 defensive touchdown this season. So he definitely made an impact on both sides of the ball. We'll see what happens in the draft. For more player profiles and all the prospects in the draft, just go to NFL.com/collegefootball.